Hi guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. Happy Friday. Hope everybody's having a great, wonderful day out there. I am coming to give you some updates, guys, real quick on Easy Profit 100. I'm at a Wi-Fi location, and I was actually working on editing some pages, and I thought I would shoot a video just to show my Easy Profit 100 teammates or anyone that's in Easy Profit 100 about Lead Lightning. I did a video a couple days ago, Lead Lightning, so you can go check it out. But this Lead Lightning, guys, is an alternative marketing system that I'm recommending if you can't get into Conversion Pros, which is $50 a month, and you make $25 residual on everyone you bring into the Conversion Pros. Lead Lightning is my second choice for you, so that you can at least have a marketing system to use, okay? So what I showed you the other day was this particular page you get when you join Lead Lightning. You spend a whole $7 to get the system, but you can start building your list, okay? That's very important. So if you mail in your postcards and you put a domain on there, you get this page for Lead Lightning. But what I've done is I've edited this page for you. So let me show you what I've come up with, because this page to me looks more like someone is already in business and they're looking for leads, okay? But for someone that's actually looking for a home-based business opportunity, this page right here resonates to me a little bit better. So I was inspired by a training that I was on the other night for PLS and Lead Lightning, okay? And I went in and I actually edited that page I just showed you. So this one looks a little bit more compelling, okay, for someone looking to make money online. So I've gone in and I've edited that page for you. This is what it looked like, okay? This is what you get with Lead Lightning when you spend $7, and this is the one that I have edited, okay? So you can get that share code from me, and you can get this page right here, okay? So what you want to do, guys, is use this page, Lead Lightning. You will go in there and you will put your primary business as Easy Profit 100. But what will happen is, once they opt in here, they're going to get the presentation for Lead Lightning, which pulls them in. They pay the $7, and then it also markets on your behalf your primary business. Lead Lightning has an email series that's going to follow up with all your customers, so you're not going to have to do that. But you're going to be able to track those prospects in your Lead Lightning back office. You can also email them, okay? So this is a great way to start building your lists and have a marketing system on a budget for $7, okay? So I just wanted to let you guys see that, all right? So make sure you log into your Easy Profit 100 back office and you go to Programs List. I'm going to see if I can get over there. Hold on for me 1 second here. Let's see, I'm on this Wi-Fi, so we're going to see how fast it's going to move. So while I'm waiting on that, so you go to your back office in Easy Profit. You're going to click on Programs List. And you're going to go in there. I'm going to try to see if I can get over there. You're going to put in you're going to put in right here. Once you create your Lead Lightning account, you're going to go to Programs List, and then you go right here and put in your new username for Lead Lightning. But if you go to my link here, go ahead and join me, $7, mygofunnel.com, daily income, okay? And then you're going to log in and you're going to put your username in here, okay? In your Lead Lightning, in the Lead Lightning section of the back office. So now that you'll have a marketing system, because you need to have a marketing system if you're out here online marketing, okay? So this is the recommended, and not just me, Easy Profit recommends it as well. But I was already a part of Lead Lightning, so I just went ahead and put mine in there. So again, guys, this is the page I've created for you, and you can use this page. If you want this one, that's fine. But I actually went in and edited the page, and it's pulling in quite a bit. I went ahead and sent some traffic to it just to see what type of responses I would get, and got quite a bit on this page, okay? So this is the page you can have just send me a message and I'll send you the share code. But I believe you got to be at gold level, guys, to get it. Excuse me, which is not a bad idea to go ahead and upgrade to gold. Okay, so that you can make those $20 residual income commissions. All right, so Easy Profit 100, partnered with Lead Lightning, and you want to use that page, just reach out to me. All right, so Easy Profit is up and running. Oh, and let me show you real quick. Let me see if I can get over there. Let's see if I can switch over. Not sure if I am going to be able to because of this Wi-Fi. Everybody's on Wi-Fi. Okay. It's not letting me. It's going to hold up progress. So anyway, don't worry about it this go round, guys. But I wanted to show you guys. Try it one more time. Try it one more time. Let's see. See if we can make it work. Going a little bit too slow. Okay. I'll do another video and I'll show you guys some results and some progress that I wanted you to see on this, but it's moving too slow. We'll do another video. Go ahead and reach out to me if you want this page for Lead Lightning, and go ahead and get your marketing system, guys, for a whole $7 and market Easy Profit 100 on the back end as your primary. Okay, this is what you want to do. Trust me, you want to start building your list. All right, that's all I've got for you today. You guys have a nice video.